Gang, what it is? Mook and the V, back with another video. Out here moving and grooving the way we do, man. Just left Chase Bank, man. Just got my business right, man. 2023, we getting our business right, man. We done put a lot of footwork, a lot of leg work, blood, sweat, and tears into this. But this year, man, we getting our business right, man, and we really finna just take it to another level. But anyway, man, what's up to all my new subscribers, man? Appreciate y'all. If I had both hands, I'd give y'all the little prayer hands to show my appreciation. But, man, I appreciate y'all for tapping in with us, man. Hopefully we keeping you entertained. Please go back and look at the discography and see what we've done, where we came from to how we got here now. Let me make sure the camera on me. Can it see me right? Is it good? It feel like it's not. I feel like it ain't, like, I guess it might just be me, but it don't seem like it's as clear as it should be. But alright, man, I guess it's on me. I guess it see me. Maybe I'm just tripping or whatever. But yeah, man, we got for the new subscribers and for all my day ones, you know, I can't forget about y'all, man. Y'all the ones that got us to this point. So love all y'all. We got some, first of all, we got good car content coming, man. I know y'all been waiting for it, and I also know I've been sprinkling old footage in here and there, but just bear with me, y'all. I promise you I'm getting back to that exclusive stuff. But like I'm saying, if you didn't see videos from a year ago, man, I got some exclusive stuff on there that no one has seen before. All type of vehicles being built from the chassis up, all type of races, all type of just exclusive content, man. I let Rail to Real whip the SRT Jeep one time for the one time. You know what I mean? Go back and tap into them videos, man. See when I first met Trap House Booming, AB in that thing. You know what I mean? DJ Super, man. Me and DJ Super story so crazy. So yeah, man, just go back and look at that, man, and see, you know, the foundation of where this thing started at. And I know I'm talking y'all ears off, man, but this is kind of like an update as well, man. I'm still in Chicagoland area right now. As y'all see all that snow out there, it's white outside. But you wouldn't know if I was in Dallas because they got snow too. But it should be melted by the time I get out there tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. What else we got, man? Still got Mookie juices, Mook and the V apparel, man. Hit me up on Instagram, get yours today. We do drop-offs, we do shipping, we do all of that. It's an extra $10 shipping fee, but just get at me, man. We can do something. Photography work, photo shoots, videography work, shoot videos, commercials, whatever, man. We do it all over here under the brand. And we're about to start doing Cash App giveaways and also some raffles. So we'll be raffling off cameras, get y'all vlogging career started, man. Photography career started, drones if you just like to have fun or you like to get dope footage, whatever, man. We're gonna have all of that stuff on the channel, man, coming real soon. We getting our business right, we getting sitchy. And yeah, man, just stay tuned. Good content on the way for 2023, man. We trying to start the year off the right way. So ain't too much been going on as far as the car content, at least with me. But I did go outside, take the Jeep out, and do a couple little donuts for y'all, man, just to, you know, spice it up just a little bit. And I'm gonna throw that into this footage right now. Yeah, so, you know, hope y'all think that was decent. I know I ain't do much. I got very thin tires. I said wheels in that little clip, but I got very thin tires on there, so I don't want to blow one or mess one up, because just about 10 videos ago, y'all saying I was stranded in Arkansas, hit something in the road, and boom, bent the wheel and the tire bust. So it was bad, man. Just go back and check that video. I'll actually show you. Yeah, we don't want that again. So just being mindful of that. But I did do a little bit, you know what I mean? So I mean, look. Yeah, so I mean, I did do a little bit. So hopefully y'all messing with that, and we just finna keep on rocking, man. So this video here. I mean, this is just the update video, y'all. So I appreciate y'all for tapping in, man, watching it. And make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I pulled up to a little location over here, a little low-key park. About to try to get some sliding done. The ground is kind of wet, but it ain't super wet. We're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna put it in track mode or sport mode, and then take the traction off. So let's see what we can do. Something slight for y'all, y'all already know. I think we did a little bit of tattooing, y'all. Go check it out real quick. I can smell it, so it must have happened. Ooh, got a little bit of rubber on the ground here, y'all. A little bit of rubber, a little tattoo gang. You know, I got them super small wheels on though, so I can't go too crazy. And you know, it's all-wheel drive still, so